Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking essentials and collect identifiers so you can fetch the right driver. Power on the PC and connect an alternate internet source or another device to download files. Note your exact OS version and whether it is 32 or 64-bit. Drivers must match. Open Device Manager on Windows or run lsbci/lsusp on Linux to capture vendor and product ID of the missing adapter. Once you have those ID and OS details, you're ready to search for compatible drivers. Now download and prepare to install the driver that matches the device ID and OS. Head to the adapter vendor or chipset manufacturer to find the latest signed or WHQL driver. For Linux, use distro packages first. Choose the correct package type: EXE or INF for Windows, DEB or RPM for Linux. If the bundled installer fails, extract files and perform a manual install through Device Manager or with dpkg/rpm commands, finish by confirming the adapter is recognized and has an IP address. On Windows, check Device Manager and run ipconfig. On Linux, check IP link and journal or network manager logs. If the adapter remains missing, update BIOS/firmware or roll back the driver you installed. Try safe mode or a known good USB/Ethernet adapter to isolate hardware versus software faults. As a final tip, use Windows Network, reset or purge and reinstall Network Manager on Linux. If that fails, collect logs and vendor support-ready info before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.